Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be all about being a beginner and how to start your YouTube channel. Not necessarily like how to start, but like where to start and what apps to get, what things you want to think about while getting involved in, doing YouTube. And I wanted to sit down and make this video because I feel like these are things that nobody really talks about or likes to share. I feel like, because for me it's like I love to learn new things and do things to kind of like keep improving on my channel by myself as well. So these are some things that I've learned along the way and some things that I've gotten to help me start my channel and seeing progress with it. So that's why I really wanted to share these with you guys, because I know they actually work and I know that they will give you a little boost if you're ever feeling like you don't know where to start or you don't know the criteria of things. So first, before I get into it, I just want to make like the first thing that I'm going to be talking about is just start. Because when I started on my YouTube channel, I was filming literally on my phone, and don't think that if you're filming on your phone you're not going to get a good quality video or you can't do this or you can't do that, because you can. And just from your phone, even me now that I have a camera, I still use apps on my phone, and I still, believe it or not, like edit my thumbnail and stuff on my phone as well. And I do use my computer for other purposes, like for other editing like tips and tricks, which if you guys want to see a more in-depth like how I edit my videos and all of that, then give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below. But I'm just going to be showing you guys some apps that you're going to definitely need to get, and these are all free apps on your iPhone. I know on the iPhone has it. I don't know if you have another phone that it's going to have it, but I'm going to give you guys a rundown and I'm going to be showing it on the screen here, so just follow along with me there. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I have a whole folder on my phone that is strictly for YouTube. So the first app that I have is my camera connector, and it is for the Canon. So if you have any, I believe it's any Canon camera, you can download this app. It's called literally Camera Connect, and you just have to connect like your Wi-Fi, and you literally can sync all your stuff. If you're on a camera and you don't have a computer, for example, you can sync everything from your camera into your phone so you can edit it. Easy, simple, it's literally great. Even if you take thumbnail pictures on your camera, easily sync it to your phone. It's literally great. The next app that I have is YouTube Studio. You're going to need this app because this is where you're going to see all your analytics. You're going to see everything that you need. So right here is like my analytics, my dashboard. You can see all of your videos, your playlists, your comments. Like I said, your analytics, so you get to see like, your overview, when you start earning money, your audience. And this is just a great app because it literally is just like key. You're gonna need it if you want to, like, let's say you're out and you want to edit your thumbnail. You want to edit, like, yeah, you can edit your thumbnail. You can also, this is where you're going to be putting your thumbnail. That's where I use to put my thumbnail, especially if I'm editing my thumbnail on my phone. You're going to click this pencil and you're going to see that it gives you the option to download a thumbnail or edit a thumbnail. If you want to edit your description, perfect, on the go on your phone, you can do it right away. If you want to edit your title, anything like that, comment back to people, you can use this app for all of that. Oh, and then I just have my Poshmark, because that's like part of YouTube, I guess. And I just started adding things. So if you guys want to follow me on Poshmark, it's like a marketplace where you can sell and buy clothes. So I'll have my closet name pop up right on the screen if you guys want to quickly see it. I'll show you right now. It's just Brianna 26 with 2 A's, and you can go and grab something if you want, but that's besides the point. Then I have here, it's called Thumbnail Maker, and then it has a custom YouTube thumbnail. So you would literally, it has the dimensions and everything. You're gonna click the 4 boxes and pick a picture that you want to go as your thumbnail. So let's see, I don't know, let's say I have my Canon pictures, right? So let's say I wanted to use this picture as my thumbnail. I would just place it And then of course there's an ad. You just want to place it there, and then you can literally add text to it. So let's say I wanted to put photo shoot. You put it, you can change the style and just change the font really quickly. Yeah, this is not like a tutorial on how to edit thumbnails, but this app is really good for also editing thumbnails. The next one I have is just called Layout. It's like whenever I want to like crop pictures or make it into like some sort of collage, I use this. It doesn't typically really work because the dimensions are not the same, so you don't really need that app. I just have it. And then of course iMovie is where you can edit your videos on here. So this was literally like one of my first videos ever, and it was Come Dye My Hair With Me, and that was like one of my first videos that I edited on here. So it is like, you know, I've used it before. And then this one is actually new that I found out about, and it's a great place to make your thumbnails. I'm not going to get into this. Like I said, if you guys want a tutorial on how to edit thumbnails, let me know down below, because I'll be happy to do that for you guys. So yeah, let me just stop this. So yeah, those are some apps that you're gonna need, especially if you're starting YouTube and just working from your phone. And if you are a YouTuber and you do have a computer like I do, I still use every single one of these apps, and it really just helps me. And you just honestly need these apps. These are literally key, and I feel like people don't talk about what apps they use enough. They just talk about more of like, you know, what YouTube's criteria is and like how to start in that sort of sense, but not really like things you're gonna need when you start. So just to give you a quick rundown, you're gonna need, YouTube has changed their criteria to 4,000 watch hours, not minutes, 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers in order to monetize. And that may seem like a lot, and it kind of is, but if you're in this for the money and you're struggling, it's gonna be really hard for you to keep working hard and not put yourself down because you're just so focused on that. If you're focused on just inspiring people and making videos about what things that you love, then you just have to keep going and be consistent. And a lot of people don't talk about how hard it is to be consistent, and I honestly do struggle with this. I feel like there's times where like I get so unmotivated, not because I'm not like close to like meeting criteria, just because I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like I want to grow and just really inspire people, and when you're not seeing some sort of growth, it kind of can put you down. But you just have to honestly just knock that aside and just keep pushing and just keep doing what you love doing. And for me, it's always like if I take a tiny little like break, or if I am feeling unmotivated, and once I start filming videos again, I feel so good, and I just feel so happy because I love doing it and I love editing videos and everything like that. So you just have to start somewhere and start being consistent and keep going with it. And then in order to even start gaining money, those are the criteria that you need to meet, and you need to sign up and create an AdSense, and they're gonna need to verify you at some point. Again, I will get into that video sooner than later, hopefully, but you guys will be seeing that video once it happens for me. But I just wanted to sit down and be real with you guys about what apps you're gonna need and how to get started. Literally sit anywhere, use anything as a tripod that you can. People, like, it's crazy like the amount of like imagination and creativity it takes into being a YouTube creator, because you can use your phone and have so many more subscribers than somebody who is starting out with a camera. So it really doesn't matter at all, really. Just, you know, put good edits out there that you like, not necessarily what you think. Like, it doesn't have to be cookie cutter perfect. If you like it and you think like this is your hobby and this is a certain way that you want your videos to come off as, then do it that way, you know what I mean? So I just really wanted to sit down and get real with you guys and talk about what most people don't really talk about, is sharing the apps that they use. I feel like a lot of people don't really share what they use for their channel, I feel like, and I don't know why, because I mean, I don't know, I just really wanted to share that with you guys because it helped me, and I want to be able to help you guys. If you guys are having a channel or you're thinking about creating a channel, these are the best apps that you can get to start out. And I'm sure there's thousands and thousands of more apps, but these are what works for me, and these are like really good ones. So I hope you guys go and download these apps, and I hope you guys get started on your channel. And if you are a new YouTuber, comment down below and I'll literally be happy to subscribe back to you guys. And I think networking and supporting other people is literally key, and just believing in yourself to go far, and you're gonna be successful, because if you believe in yourself, that's the best you can do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave any more video suggestions down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.